Software as a service companies become cornerstone technologies for businesses and consumers all over the world. SaaS is a cloud-based software delivery model in which the cloud provider develops and maintains cloud application software, provides automatic software updates, and makes software available to its customers via the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. The SaaS industry has seen unprecedented growth in the recent decades, driven by an increasing preference for automation over traditional manual processes and legacy softwares. This growth is supported by private and public investors and continues to increase exponentially in key markets. Let's take a closer look at the widespread success of the SaaS industry and its predicted trajectory in the near future. Experts feel that SaaS companies' low cash burn and strong business fundamentals are the major drivers of this trend. The SaaS industry is projected to experience its largest annual growth between 2021 and 22, reaching a value of approximately $172 billion by the end of the year. A report says the monthly recurring revenue or MRR is a leading indicator of revenue growth. Hence, it's a well-received way to appraise SaaS businesses. Investors are more likely to consider the MRR rather than the annual recurring revenue, simply because ARR doesn't furnish much proof of churn. There are several reasons why SaaS companies enjoy higher valuations, including recurring revenue they earn by charging monthly subscription or recurring fee, more predictable earnings based on their defined pricing tiers, higher customer lifetime value from long-term contracts. With this, the SaaS companies see increased VC interest amid market downturn. There are more than 30 SaaS companies that went public, representing around $225 billion of market capital. One of the reasons there is so much investor interest in software is because the use cases for it continue to grow rapidly, spanning a wider range of industries than previously imagined. The overall SaaS industry is looking much healthier in the current market scenario. While consumer business has seen their valuations slashed by 50%, SaaS companies are at a comparatively better place and have not seen valuation cuts. With this, the Indian SaaS market is projected to be valued at $50 billion by 2030. Let us now look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Nykaa appoints Rajesh Uppalapati as CTO. Online fashion retailer Nykaa has announced the appointment of Rajesh Uppalapati as its Chief Technology Officer. With over 2 decades of technology experience, Rajesh Uppalapati has worked for Amazon for about 20 years across different roles and geographies. Prior to joining Nykaa, he was working with Intuit India. Uppalapati will be replacing Nykaa's current CTO Sanjay Suri and will hold the charge from next month. Several restaurants exit Swiggy over discounting. Hundreds of A-list restaurants including Cafe Delhi Heights, Smokehouse Delhi and Mama Goto have opted out of Swiggy Dine-Out in recent weeks. It is said that 20 brands having over 400 outlets have logged out of the platform. The National Restaurants Association of India has urged its members to log out of Swiggy Dine-Out, stating that its practice of offering deep discounts would affect one of the restaurant's core businesses. PM Modi to inaugurate aircraft manufacturing hub in Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of a transport aircraft manufacturing project for the Indian Air Force at Vadodara in Gujarat. The project offers a unique opportunity for the Indian private sector to enter into the technology-intensive and highly competitive aviation industry. Last year, the Union Ministry of Defence signed a contract with Airbus Defence and Space SA for acquisition of the aircraft with associated equipment. Meta's market value drops by $67 billion after its third quarter results. Meta Platforms Inc. stock plunged 20%, wiping $67 billion off its market value after the company posted its fourth straight decline in quarterly profit. The company said its overall expenses could rise as much as 16% next year and anticipates that operating losses at Reality Labs that brought Metaverse will grow significantly next year. Udaan raises $120 million via convertible notes and debt. Business-to-business e-commerce major Udaan has raised $120 million in convertible notes and debt led by existing shareholders and bondholders. With this round, the total funds raised by Udan through convertible notes and debt in the last 4 quarters has crossed $350 million. The company is also planning to go public in the next 12 to 18 months, signaling a delay in its IPO. Udan has raised around $1.4 billion and was valued at $3 billion as of January 2021. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.